current three-time world champion finds it difficult for next-generation cars to shed the promised 30 kilograms. A 30 kilograms reduction in car weight would be a great relief for drivers, who have been calling for lighter vehicles for years. The cars have been getting progressively heavier, making them less enjoyable to drive compared to their predecessors. However, teams are already struggling to meet minimum weight requirements and often deal with excess weight, which compromises lap performance. Three-time world champion Max Verstappen expressed his concerns about this weight reduction target. "It's going to be very difficult with the way everything is, but let's see," he told motorsport.com. "I mean, even today some teams are overweight. So to get 30 kilograms off, sure, I know the dimensions change a bit, but I'm not sure if 30 kilograms will be the ideal scenario." When asked if the planned reduction would be enough to meet the driver's wishes and provide a more exciting driving experience, Verstappen was straightforward. "You need at least 100 to 150 kilograms less. At the moment, with everything as it is, it's definitely not possible. But this also has to do with the engine, right? Regarding the engine and the battery, it's very heavy and long, wide. At the moment, it's an illusion, but it's definitely what we need to make it more agile and probably a bit more fun." Verstappen also highlighted the impact of safety measures, which have added a lot of weight to the cars. "As safety has added a lot of weight, which of course is good, but I'm sure we can do things a bit differently. It depends on the regulations you draft." Additionally, DRS, drag reduction system, will not be included in the new cars. Instead, drivers will have active aerodynamics and an electric command at their disposal. Regarding this change, Verstappen commented, "I don't know how effective it will be. That's something I haven't seen yet, how effective it will be." Jokingly, he added, "Maybe we'll need some bananas and a red shell." If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated with the latest news and exciting stories from Formula One, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates about Formula One and other motorsport events. Thank you for watching and see you next time.